Hey guys, this is thanks for purchasing the trade log template, and I'm going to go over in this lesson exactly what you need to do and how to use it. It's pretty straightforward, but it's important that you use this because it'll help you with your trades. Right? It usually, and in the past, I've been a victim of not going and logging my trades in. I have a notebook that I used to use to log my trades in, and then I kind of got tired of it, and I created this template for everybody to use, and it helps a lot. Okay, and a lot of the brokers give you some version of default logs and performance, but it's not that useful when you yourself are not entering the trades. With the advent of technology, a lot of these brokers have the ability to click really fast, and you just forget to write your orders down, right? What you did for the day, how well you made your trades today. And it's not just about clicking, you actually have to prepare your trades and get in. Remember the whole discussion about risk management, to make sure that you have your risk in place. And so if you don't do any of that, it's just a waste. You're not focusing, and you're not doing this for a long term, and you're not going to sustain as a trader. And so what this log does is it helps you keep track of all your trades. It keeps track of where you're good at, and what type of trades you're good at, and what type of symbols that you're good with, and also how well you're doing overall. Okay, so it's very easy. Thanks for purchasing it. And when you'll get this template, it's an Excel 2016 file, so that when you open it up, all you got to do is double click. You're going to get a warning message, and that's okay. You can just hit OK. Just hit this tab. It's just because there's no data, and the data needs to be actually refreshed after loading it. And majority of the reason is because I have a lot of data and tables and queries behind the scene that generate these graphs. Okay, so you have two tabs on the bottom, the trader's log and then the main dashboard. Okay, so what you do is, in the beginning when you open it up, this is going to be empty, and this is your trade log. And the only thing that's editable, and none of the other things are editable. You can't modify, touch. Everything is just straight up locked, so that you don't make any mistakes. And what you have to do is pretty much like, say for example, let's take a date. You say Monday. You start off, you trade Monday, and you pick a date. I'm just picking random dates. Okay, I don't know if this is a Monday or whatever. Okay, so let's just say you did 8/05 or whatever, 06 2018. Okay, and let's just say you picked a symbol called Microsoft, put it in, keep it all consistent. I like to keep everything capitalized. You can have a drop down option for going short or long. What type of entry was this? Let's just say I took a long. How many shares did you buy? I'll just say I bought 100. Average entry price, let's just say I bought it at $98. And what did I exit this trade at? Let's just say I exited out at $98.50, and what was my commission? $2.99, for example. Okay, so this will automatically, all these rest will calculate already. This is your entry cost, exit cost, profit lost without the commissions, net profit after commissions, whether this trade was a win or a loss, and then the total gain, and then that will actually add up over here. And this is without the commissions. Okay, so this entry gets logged in, and if you go to the main dashboard, you'll see that this table will get loaded immediately. It's just a simple table. The rest of them are a little bit complex. So what you have to do is you have to refresh the table, and when you do the refresh, it'll show up. The data will show up, because behind the scene it's doing some querying, getting the data, generating the data, and generating the graph. Okay, so now you'll see Microsoft shows up here, It was a long, it was profitable. You made $50 roughly, and 47, like, you know, this is all without commission, and this is without commission, and this is with commission. Okay, so now let's add another one. Let's just say that Wednesday you took a Tuesday off and you said 8/8 2018. Let's just say you bought Facebook, and you said, okay, you went long, and again you bought 50 shares, you bought it at say $145, and you sold it at $146, and your commission was $2.99. Okay, same thing again. Now this will tell you the costs, the exit, how much profit you had, win situation, both. All right, so now if you go over here, it'll automatically draw this graph, your profit, your total profit, what's going on. You got this going on, and then click on refresh, and it tells you how much. Okay, on Monday you made this much, on Wednesday you did this, and then this is the long, and this is your Facebook and Microsoft. You got two of them, and as the dates get increased, you'll see. Watch. Let's see. Let's say on Thursday you did a big one. Let's just say you 2018. Let's just say you bought Twitter. You want short because you knew this thing was going to go short. Let's just say you shorted 1,000 shares at I don't know what Twitter's at right now. Let's just say $25, and then you bought it back at $24, and your commission was $2.99. Okay, so this is your calculation. You made $1,000 here. Win. It was a win. Okay, go over here, do a refresh, and it'll show you again. Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. These are your profits. Okay. Twitter, Microsoft, Facebook. Now let's try another one with a loss. Let's just say Friday. 8/10/2018. Okay, let's just say you Tesla TSLA. Okay, for example, it's a little volatile. Let's just say you went long and bought. Let's just say you bought 100 shares, and your price was. Let's just say you got in at 345, and right now it's maybe whatever 310. Okay, and your commission. So you got a loss right here. It automatically detects how much loss you had. You go back here, boom, it refreshes everything, and boom. See, look at this chart getting updated. See this. Dun, 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 dun. So that's pretty much the basics. And as you enter more and more data, all of this will get, and this is still the same month. If you start going through and adding for the entire year, as it continues to grow in your account and the dates, the months change, all these graphs will change, the timeline will change, and it'll tell you, see, for your long, that long you went became negative, but you're short. So over time, if you are making a lot of long trades and you'll see that this is negative, then you maybe you should look at where you're going wrong with all your long trades, and maybe you're better off shorting instead of going long, or you're doing better on Twitter versus Microsoft. Maybe focus more on your Twitter trades. You can focus on that, or let's just say Monday, Wednesday, Thursdays you're profitable, but on Fridays you keep getting losses. So maybe take a break on Friday. Don't trade on Friday. Okay, so that's kind of something that you want to have visually to see what's going on with your trading plan. I hope this makes sense. You save it, and anytime when you do close it up and then you try to open it again, just remember that you will get that warning message, because the charts are locked. Okay, and you just have to refresh the data, and that's what you enter, right? So basically what it does is it goes through all of this data, it churns it, and then creates these graphs, and then puts the data on it, and then does all the calculation. All right, if you have any questions, please reach out to me at any of those chats, Discord, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. All right, thank you.